Hey, welcome to my channel Dream Cars, where we explore the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated luxury sedans of the year, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz E-Class, a vehicle that blends elegance, cutting-edge technology and refined performance into a seamless package. If you're looking for sophistication with a modern twist, this car is a perfect choice. Stick around as we take a closer look at what makes the 2026 E-Class a true standout. In a second, Mercedes-Benz has long been a leader in the luxury sedan market, and the E-Class has been a benchmark that refinement for decades. The 2026 model takes everything the brand is known for and pushes it to the next level with a fresh design, advanced technology, and a driving experience that balances power with comfort. This car is ready to impress, whether you're a fan of German engineering, a luxury car enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates high-quality craftsmanship. The E-Class is worth your attention. The exterior design of the 2026 E-Class reflects Mercedes-Benz's commitment to elegance and aerodynamic efficiency. The front end features a more sculpted grille with an illuminated surround, giving it a futuristic yet unmistakably Mercedes look. The headlights are sleeker, incorporating the latest digital LED technology that adapts to different driving conditions. The hood has subtle creases that add to the car's dynamic stance, while the side profile remains smooth and sophisticated. The flowing lines extend towards the rear, where the tail lights now feature a unique star pattern design, paying homage to the brand's iconic logo. The overall shape of the E-Class maintains its signature executive sedan proportions, but there are noticeable refinements that improve both aesthetics and functionality. The aerodynamics have been fine-tuned to reduce wind resistance, which not only enhances fuel efficiency but also contributes to a quieter cabin. Real options range from stylish 18-inch alloys to more aggressive 21-inch multi-spoke designs, ensuring that buyers can customize the car to their taste. The color palette includes both classic and bold choices, from deep metallic blues to elegant matte finishes, further emphasizing the car's luxurious appeal. Step inside the cabin and you're greeted with an environment that blends high-tech innovation with traditional Mercedes-Benz luxury. The first thing you'll notice is the massive MVUX superscreen, a full with digital display that extends across the dashboard. This system integrates the instrument cluster, infotainment, and even a separate screen for the front passenger, allowing for a truly immersive experience. The interface is smooth, intuitive, and powered by the latest AI technology, adapting to user preferences and offering voice-activated controls. Materials inside the cabin are nothing short of premium. Genuine wood trims, brushed aluminum accents, and high-quality leather create a sense of opulence. The seats are ergonomically designed with multi-contour adjustments, heating, ventilation, and even a massage function. Whether you're driving or being chauffeured, comfort is at the forefront. The ambient lighting system offers up to 64 colors, allowing passengers to set the perfect mood for their journey. Mercedes-Benz has also equipped the E-Class with an advanced sound system developed in collaboration with Burmeister. The 4D surround sound experience ensures that every note and beat is delivered with crystal clear precision. Whether you're listening to classical music, jazz, or your favorite podcast, the acoustic experience inside this car is unmatched. Technology plays a huge role in making the 2026 E-Class one of the most intelligent sedans on the market. The latest version of MBUX not only understands natural speech commands but can also anticipate user needs based on driving habits. The navigation system is enhanced with augmented reality, providing live street overlays and guiding the driver with real-time directions displayed on the windshield via the head-up display. In terms of connectivity, the E-Class supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as 5G capabilities for seamless internet access. Rear passengers aren't left out either, as the optional entertainment package includes individual touchscreens, wireless headphones, and even video conferencing capabilities for those who need to stay connected on the go. Safety has always been a priority for Mercedes-Benz, and the 2026 E-Class continues this tradition with an array of advanced driver assistance systems. The car features an upgraded adaptive cruise control system that can adjust speed based on traffic conditions and even execute lane changes autonomously. The lane keeping assist has been refined to be smoother and more intuitive, reducing abrupt steering corrections. One of the standout features is the new active parking assist, which allows the E-Class to park itself in tight spaces with minimal driver input. Using a combination of sensors and cameras, the system can handle both parallel and perpendicular parking, making urban driving much easier. In case of emergencies, the car is equipped with automatic emergency braking, collision avoidance technology, and a sophisticated driver attention monitoring system that can detect under the hood. The 2026 E-Class offers a range of powertrain options. The standard model comes with a turbocharged inline-4 engine that delivers a balance of power and efficiency for those seeking more performance. The E450 variant is equipped with a turbocharged inline-6 with mild hybrid assistance, offering smoother acceleration and improved fuel economy. The mild hybrid system not only boosts power but also enhances efficiency by recovering energy during braking. For enthusiasts craving high-performance dynamics, Mercedes-AMG offers the E53 model featuring a turbocharged engine with an electrified boost providing exhilarating acceleration and enhanced responsiveness. The AMG-tuned suspension and exhaust system ensure that the driving experience is as thrilling as it is refined. Mercedes-Benz has also expanded its plug-in hybrid lineup, introducing an E-Class variant with a substantial electric range. The hybrid system combines an efficient petrol engine with an advanced battery pack, allowing for emission-free city driving while still delivering strong performance on highways with fast charging capabilities. The plug-in hybrid model ensures that drivers can top up their battery quickly at public charging stations or at home. The driving dynamics of the 2026 E-Class have been fine-tuned to offer the perfect balance between comfort and sportiness. The air suspension system adapts to road conditions in real time, providing a smooth ride on highways and enhanced stability on winding roads. Steering feedback has been improved, giving drivers a more connected feel, while the all-wheel drive system ensures confidence in all weather conditions. For those who appreciate a chauffeur-driven experience, the rear cabin of the E-Class has been designed to offer first-class comfort. The extended wheelbase variant provides even more legroom in the reclining rear seats with heating, ventilation and massage function. Truly luxurious environment. A panoramic sunroof, retractable sunshades and soft closed doors further enhance the premium feel of the rear passenger. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz E-Class represents the perfect blend of heritage and innovation. It respects the traditions of Mercedes-Benz while embracing the future with cutting-edge technology and electrification. Whether you're drawn to its elegant design, state-of-the-art infotainment system, or refined driving dynamics, this sedan continues to set the standard in the luxury segment. As always, we'd love to hear your thoughts on the new E-Class. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz E-Class represents the perfect fusion of luxury, technology, and performance, setting a new standard for executive sedans. With a sleek, modern design, the E-Class boasts advanced aerodynamics, refined detailing, and a spacious, luxurious interior that offers maximum comfort. Packed with cutting-edge technology, including an intuitive infotainment system, autonomous driving features, and state-of-the-art safety technologies, the 2026 E-Class ensures an unparalleled driving experience. Powered by a range of efficient engines, this sedan combines power with fuel economy, providing both exhilarating performance and smooth handling. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on highways, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz E-Class offers unmatched sophistication, driving dynamics, and tech-driven innovation. Do you think it maintains its status as the benchmark for luxury sedans? Would you choose the plug-in hybrid model or stick with the traditional petrol engine? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from Dream Cars. We'll be bringing you more in-depth reviews, comparisons and the latest automotive news. Stay tuned and we'll see you in the next video.